Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. In today's video, we'll talk about the problems people face while borrowing money on Cash App and share some effective solutions to help you successfully borrow money using the app. In the United States, Cash App has millions of users. Many people are able to use the borrow feature, but there's also a significant number of users who cannot borrow money through Cash App. What are the reasons behind this, and what steps can you take to borrow money in emergency situations? Let's dive into the details. To understand the reasons and solutions, we've brought you to this website called Cabbage Loan Guide. On the right-hand side of the website, you'll find thousands of articles related to Cash App. One of these articles is titled, "Why Can't I Borrow Money from Cash App? Reasons and Solutions." This article explains the reasons why you might not be able to borrow money on Cash App and provides actionable solutions. Scrolling down, the article outlines who is eligible for the Cash App Borrow feature. It also explains why some users cannot borrow money. You'll find multiple reasons and their respective solutions here. Let's discuss these reasons and solutions one by one. Reason 1. Borrow option, not visible. Some users don't see the borrow option in their Cash App. This could happen due to several reasons, such as a poor credit score, the borrow feature being unavailable in your state, or you being under 18 years old. A screenshot on the website also explains that sponsored accounts are not eligible for the borrow feature. Solution: improve your credit score. Check with Cash App customer support to confirm if the borrow feature is available in your state. Reason 2. Exhausted Cash App borrow limit. If you've already borrowed money on Cash App, you can only borrow again after repaying the previous loan. Cash App allows users to borrow money only once at a time. After repayment, your borrowing limit might increase slightly, but you cannot borrow twice simultaneously. You can read the detailed reasons and solutions in the article, which is linked in the description below. Reason 3. Poor credit score and credit history. Even if the borrow feature is visible in your Cash App, you may not be able to borrow money due to a poor credit score or credit history. Solutions for improving your credit score and credit history: timely repayment of existing loans, gradual credit score improvement, explore alternative loan repayment options, regularly monitor your credit report. Reason 4. Not fulfilling Cash App Borrow eligibility criteria. Cash App Borrow has specific eligibility criteria to ensure responsible lending practices. If you are not meeting these criteria, you won't be able to borrow money. Cash App extends the borrow option only to users who meet certain requirements. The eligibility criteria and solutions are detailed in the article. Reason 5. Problem in the loan approval process or declined application. Loan applications can be declined for reasons such as incorrect information, ineligibility, or other issues. Solution: review any text messages or emails you received during the application process to identify the reason for the decline. Contact Cash App customer support to address discrepancies or shortcomings in your application. After fixing the issues, you can reapply confidently. Reason 6. Cash App Borrow feature down. Sometimes the Cash App Borrow feature is unavailable due to system maintenance. In such cases, wait for a few hours as server-related issues are usually resolved automatically. Reason 7. Borrow feature unavailable in your state. If the borrow feature is not available in your state, you won't be able to borrow money, regardless of your efforts. Unfortunately, there's no solution for this. These are the reasons and solutions to common issues users face when borrowing money on Cash App Borrow. If any of these apply to you, follow the recommended solutions to resolve them. If you found this information helpful, Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.